Welcome to a world of timeless charm, cozy details, and nostalgic beauty. In today's video, we are exploring aesthetic cottage decor with a vintage style, where soft colors, floral patterns, antique-inspired furniture, and charming little treasures come together to create a warm and inviting home. From cozy corners to beautiful vintage accents, get ready to discover inspiring ideas that bring the romantic character of an old-fashioned cottage into your home. Let's begin. Aesthetic cottage decor with vintage style is a cozy decorating style that combines the charming handmade feeling of cottage interiors with the nostalgic character of vintage pieces. It creates a home that feels warm, lived in, romantic, and timeless rather than overly modern or perfectly masked. Think a charming old cottage decorated with beautiful things collected over time. The goal is not to make everything look antique, it is to mix vintage character with soft, aesthetically pleasing cottage details. Here is some more information about aesthetic cottage decor with vintage style. Create a soft, nostalgic atmosphere. This style is all about making a room feel comfortable, nostalgic, and lived in. Avoid making everything look brand new or perfectly coordinated. A few aged or handcrafted looking pieces can give the space character. Choose characterful furniture. Look for furniture with traditional shapes and visible craftsmanship, such as wooden farmhouse tables, painted cabinets, vintage style hutches, a small chatting desk, oven or wooden chairs, old-fashioned bedside tables. Bring in floral and botanical details. Floral patterns are especially fitting for cottage interiors. Use them to curtains, cushions, tablecloths, wallpaper, bedding, or framed botanical artwork. Decorate with the small vintage accents instead of filling every surface. Carefully arrange a few meaningful looking objects. Ceramic pictures, vintage clocks, small vases, candlesticks, old books, decorative plates, oven baskets, and pretty glass bottles. Use natural textures. Natural materials make the space feel more authentic. Combined wood, linen, cotton, wicker, rattan, ceramic, and crocheted or embroidered textiles. Keep windows soft and airy. Light curtains in cotton, linen, lace, or small floral prints can give windows a romantic cottage appearance. Letting plenty of natural light into the room also helps maintain the airy aesthetic. Make the walls interesting. Try a gallery arrangement of botanical prints, landscapes, vintage-inspired artwork, small mirrors, and decorative plates. Mixing frames styles can make the display feel collected over time. Add fresh or dried flowers. A simple bouquet in ceramic jugs or glass vase can instantly bring cottage charm. Wildflowers, garden flowers, or dried arrangements works especially well. Layer handmade details, crochet blankets, embroidered cushions, quilts, little throws, and handmade pottery can make the room feel personal and cozy. The most beautiful version of this style does not require everything to be genuinely antique. Combine vintage-inspired pieces with practical modern furniture so the room remains comfortable and functional. Overall, aesthetic vintage cottage decor is about creating a home that feels collected, cozy, romantic, and timeless, with plenty of warmth and personality. Build a collected of a time look. A vintage cottage should not feel like everything came from unmatching furniture sets. Combine pieces that look as though they were gathered gradually. An old-looking wooden table, a painted cabinet, patterned cushions, and a few treasured decorative objects. Choose a gentle color palette. Start with a calm base such as warm white, cream, beige, or soft gray. Then introduce muted shades of shade green, dusty blue, faded rose, battery yellow, or terracotta through accessories and textiles. Use small scale patterns, small floral prints, ginghams, checks, stripes, and botanical motifs work beautifully. Use patterns selectively so the room feels charming rather than visually crowded. Late wood and warmth. Natural or lightly distressed wood can become one of the main features. Wooden shelves, tools, side tables, cabinets, and picture frames add warmth and an authentic cottage feeling. Display everyday objects beautifully. Vintage cottage style often turns practical items into decoration. Display ceramic bowls, teacups, pitchers, jars, baskets, and pretty kitchen linens, where they can be seen and easily used. And vintage mirrors. An ornate or aged looking mirror can make a cottage room feel more interesting. Place on above a console, fireplace style mantle, dresser, or intimate table. Focus on fabric details. Textiles can completely transform the atmosphere. Consider floral curtains, lace trimmed linens, quilted throws, crocheted blankets, embroidered cushions, linen table runners, soft cotton bedding. Create cozy reading corners. A small armchair beside a window, paired with a little wooden table, lamp, and stack of books, can create a lovely vintage cottage corner. Decorate with nature. Bring the outdoors inside with potted herbs, leafy plants, dried flowers, botanical prints, wicker baskets, and natural branches. These details complement the cottage aesthetic without making it feel overly formal. Use gentle lighting. Warm, soft lighting helps emphasize the cozy vintage atmosphere. Table lamps with fabric shades, wall sconces, and small decorative lanterns can work beautifully. Make a storage part of the decor. Instead of filling everything, use open baskets, wooden crates, vintage-style cupboards, glass jars, and open shelving to organize everyday items attractively. Don't over-decorate. One of the secrets to this style is intentional layering. Choose a few beautiful vintage pieces and give them space to stand out. A cottage should feel cozy and personal, not like a crowded antique shop. The overall idea: create a home that feels soft, nostalgic, handmade, and naturally beautiful, and comfortably lived in, while still being practical for everyday life. Give each room a cottage character. Rather than decorating every room identically, give each space its own personality while keeping a consistent vintage palette. First, living room. Use floral cushions, wooden furniture, coins, books, and vintage artwork. Next, kitchen. Use open shelves, ceramic dishes, oven baskets, floral curtains, and wooden accessories. Next, dining room. A simple wooden table, mismatched chairs, vintage crockery, and a small floral centerpiece. Next, bedroom. Use soft bedding, quilted throws, vintage-style lamps, and botanical artwork. Entryway. Use a small wooden bench, mirror, hooks, baskets, and a vase of flowers. Use basket everywhere. Wicker and rattan baskets are both decorative and useful. Place them beneath tables, beside sofas, on shelves, or near an entryway for everyday storage. Create a vintage gallery wall. Mix different types of artwork rather than using identical frames. Try botanical illustrations, candleside landscapes, floral paintings, vintage-inspired prints, and small mirrors. Display pretty crockery. In the kitchen or dining area, let attractive dishes become part of the decoration. A collection of floral teacups, ceramic plates, pitchers, or bowls can create a lovely old-fashioned cottage atmosphere. Add a cottage-inspired shelf. Style a shelf with a combination of books, pottery, small plants, framed artwork, candles, and little vintage accessories. Vary the heights so the arrangement looks relaxed rather than tricked. Choose furniture with a story-like feel. Furniture does not have to be genuinely antique. Look for pieces with turned legs, curved edges, painted finishes, wooden surfaces, or traditional silhouettes that suggest vintage craftsmanship. Embrace handmade pieces. Handmade details make the home feel more personal. Crochet cushions, knitted shawls, embroidered linens, quilts, handmade pottery, and oven decorations all fit naturally into the aesthetic. Create a cozy evening atmosphere. In the evening, use several small sources of warm light rather than relying on a bright ceiling feature. A lamp beside a reading chair or a small table lamp on a sideboard can make the room feel particularly cozy. Use flowers as decorating accents. You don't need floral patterns everywhere. Repeat flowers in 2 or 3 places, perhaps curtains, cushions, and a small vase to create visual connection throughout the room. Add on 2 statement pieces, a beautiful vintage style clock, old-fashioned cabinet, honest mirror, wooden hutch, or distinctive armchair can become a focal point. Keep modern convenience hidden where possible. Modern appliances and technology are perfectly practical. When appropriate, use cabinet, baskets, trays, or furniture placement to keep them from dominating the cottage atmosphere. Make it personal. The most appealing vintage cottage interiors often contain things that feel personally meaningful. Favorite books, handmade crafts, family style photographs, collected ceramics, or treasured decorative pieces. The secret is balance. Combine vintage charm, cottage softness, natural textures, floral details, and modern comfort so the home feels nostalgic without becoming old-fashioned or cluttered. Create a soft vintage foundation. Start with a calm background of cream, warm white, muted beige, soft gray, or gentle pastel shades. This allows vintage furniture and decorative pieces to become the focus without making the room feel busy. Mix different wood tones. Don't worry about every wooden piece matching. A combination of natural wood, lightly painted wood, and slightly weathered finishes can make the room feel naturally collected. A style cabinet and hutches. A vintage hutch or cabinet can become a major feature. Display ceramic plates, teacups and saucers, small pictures, glass jars, vintage style books, and tiny vases. Leave some empty space so the display remains airy. Bring the garden indoors. Cottage Decor has a strong connection with nature. Use herbs, small leafy plants, giant flowers, botanical prints, and floral arrangements to create continuity between the garden and interior. Introduce handmade texture. Handcrafted pieces give the room warmth and individuality. Crochet, embroidery, quilting, knitting, oven baskets, and handmade pottery are particularly suitable. Decorate the mantle or console. If you have a mantle, sideboard, or console table, create a simple layered arrangements with a mirror or artwork at the back, a vase of lamp, a few books, and one or two small decorative pieces. Add comfortable setting. A vintage-inspired armchair, wooden chair with a cushion, or a small upholstered bench can make the room feel more welcoming. Add a soft throw for extra coziness. Use artwork with a storybook feeling. Choose artwork inspired by gardens, countryside scenes, flowers, birds, landscapes, or traditional still life. Muted frames can help the artwork blend naturally into the room. Don't forget small details. Sometimes tiny touches have the biggest impact. Consider vintage style knobs and handles, decorative trays, ceramic soap dishes, linen towels, small flower vases, open storage baskets, pretty stationery, traditional style lamps. Make the kitchen feel spatially lived in. A cottage kitchen can become a centerpiece of the style. Combine open shelving, wooden cutting boards, ceramic crockery, fabric curtains, baskets, jars, and a small collection of vintage-inspired kitchenware. Create a calm bedroom retreat. Layer simple bedding with a quiet, knitted throw, floral cushions, bedside lamp, wooden furniture, and a small vase of flowers. Keep the colors gentle and coordinated. Keep the vintage style comfortable. Aesthetic cottage decor work best when it remains practical. You don't need to fill your home with antiques. Choose pieces that are beautiful, useful, and comfortable. Aesthetic cottage decor with vintage style is about creating a home that feels like a peaceful countryside retreat, filled with flowers, handmade textures, treasured objects, natural materials, and nostalgic furniture. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.